Okay, here we are again in the back end of the website. This is a clean install. This is the standard template that will be installed immediately after you have created the initial installation. And in the back end, we have not added a great deal of extra components, modules or plugins. So we're about to do that now, to add in installation options. As explained in a previous video, when you want to add extra functionality and features to this basic content management system, or CMS, then we go to extensions, manage, and then over to install, and that brings up your installation page. And you'll see here that it's as simple as browsing for a file on your hard drive. Now you do have other options about installations. If you have an online folder, you can install from there, and if you have a URL from the creator of the software, you can put that URL in here. Personally, I prefer to have all of my extensions, plugins, modules on my hard drive so that I can go straight away to it. And this was the folder where we had the WYSIWYG editor. So I have my list of extensions that I like to have in each CMS as a minimum. So for instance, here I'm going to install this module here, which is the menu, the main menu module. So I will move away from this and just look through here for my menus, double click, and you'll see that we have packages which have held numerous items inside that have been extended and opened up so that we have things. See, it says here unzip first, so they've been unzipped previously. I'm just explaining this so that you get an idea of why I've got various versions of sometimes the same item. So I said I was going to do the module, which is so the MOD, and you will see here that it says PLGs for plugins and then COM for components. So to start with, we're going to click on this, click open, and away it goes. Now, the way you install any type of extension is done exactly the same way that I've shown you here. So you've seen that I have a list of various things to add to this website. So rather than taking your time, I'm going to get on and just carry on doing what you've seen, and going down all my list for installing key elements that I'm going to be using afterwards, and I'll explain each one of them as I go through them. So we will see you a little later when I have managed to install everything.